Hi everybody and welcome. Today I'm going to tell you how to edit your home location on Google Maps. So as you can see, I've marked my home here, and now to edit the home location, we have to navigate to some other location. For example, I want to set my home here. And this is a random place in Krakow, and here as you can see we have some buttons. We have to scroll to add label button here, and here we have the label to enter a custom name. We have to tap that and enter here home, enter a home address, and as you can see, here we have our home. That's it, hope it helps you and goodbye.